This video focuses on a powerful feature, the service request. This feature allows you to contact our support team directly from the app if you're experiencing any technical issues with your QuickSee free devices. You can always submit a service request from the PlenOptika website. Doing so from the companion app provides PlenOptika with important information about your device that will help us perform a more accurate analysis and provide a faster and more targeted solution. It will also allow us to send you files that may help fix the problem directly on your device. To get started, make sure your companion app is connected to the internet. Then open the support section in the app and click on Service Request. For now, let's focus only on the basic service request. We also have the advanced actions, but these are additional tools that should only be used if you are directed to do so by PlenOptika or authorized personnel. Once you click on Service Request, you will be taken to a form similar to the one on our website. Fill in your name and email. Next, you will have to fill your contact information. Click Next, and in this step, you will have to provide some details about your device and the type of issue you are experiencing. If you are already connected to a QuickSee free device, as it is the case, the product model and device serial number will be filled for you. Next, you'll tell us about the problem you're having. For example, I'm having a problem with the power button. You can write an issue description and attach some screenshots or videos if they are necessary. Then you will click Send, and all these details will be sent to PlenOptika. It is also possible to send a service request if you are not connected to a device, but in that case, we won't receive some technical data that is being shared, and that may limit our ability to troubleshoot the problem. Thank you for your attention. We will see you in another video.